guys, I'm stay home, but I need to listening the Bible study. Yes. Nag-watch ako ng magandang salita na share ni Pastor. Ayun. Okay ba? Ay, mas stress ako sa labas, stay home. Much better.
Darating ako dyan. Pag dumating ako dyan, hindi nila kakayanin ang aking presensya. Paano ko nakakatiyak? Dahil ito sabi niya, but who can endure the day of His coming? Hindi pa ngayon, hindi mo pa makikita yung gagawin ko. But the moment I come, I'm telling you, they can never stand my appearance. And who can stand when He appears? For He is like a refiner's fire, like a fuller's soap.
Ano daw?
Parang isang apoy na bigla kang nililisin.
Akala mo hindi naiintindihan. Ano daw? Hindi ko mag-get. Pastor, ulit. Nanluko. Ayun guys, nandito ako sa bahay kasi umuulan at saka iwas stressful life. Stay home and move away to toxic people. Much better. Ayun lang guys. Bye. Have a nice day. Magsisingalong ako. Join me. Bye.